Imagine a technology that helps surgeons deliver pain-free mobility for every one of the 91 million patients suffering from painful, often debilitating arthritis. I'm John Greenwald, co-founder and CEO of Cairo Surgical. Cairo is a seed-stage medical technology company defining the future of joint replacement surgery. Despite the prevalence of arthritis, advanced technology for joint replacement has evolved slowly and fails to address the needs of surgeons, hospitals, and patients. As a result, only 13% of joint replacement procedures in the United States utilize any advanced technology. Cairo is taking a different approach. We're developing systems that emphasize intuitive, efficient adoption into the surgical workflow, affordability, and breakthrough sub-millimeter accurate radar tracking to help surgeons control implant positioning, ligament balance, and limb alignment. Our technology delivers a 10x cost reduction and more clinical and economic value than any technology available today. Cairo's platform technology addresses a $6 billion market anticipated to grow to $13 billion by 2030. We've assembled an experienced interdisciplinary team and a world-class scientific advisory board. In summary, Cairo is developing groundbreaking innovations that expand access to advanced technology for joint replacement and address the needs of surgeons, hospitals, and patients.
Hi, I'm Dr. Mefta. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I've used technology for majority of my cases. I find them very disruptive in my workflow. I'm very excited about Cairo's Beacon platform technology. I think they will revolutionize healthcare.